floor plans in front of me. I can guide you through.
How come you're alive, anyway? I saw you take a bullet to the head.
Maybe it's still there. Keeps me focused.
For this to work, I was gonna have to trust her.
Let's get to work. Cleaners ahead and to the left, guarding Corcoran's door at the opposite end of the hall.
Walks across the room, slow, taking a... It's parachuting!
Well, that's...
Hey!
They're cleaning other apartments as well.
Corcoran said that other Inner Circle members live in the building.
Found a body, a thin guy in a suit.
Not Corcoran. He's a big man. Fat.
I'm in. Gonna look around. Nothing here.
Check upstairs.
I'm going upstairs.
Papers, photos, everything needs to go. This place needs to be cleaner it's ever been. Kaufman's orders.
We're late. He's dead.
You need to get out of there. We need to leave now. More cleaners in the lobby coming your way.
I wasn't ready to go. Not without a single piece of evidence. In the photo, a group of men posing in front of a manor house. Corcoran was there. Senator Gate was there. So was Alfred Woden. So it was true. All bets were off. The Inner Circle was involved.
Jump to the balcony below.
Everything okay up there? Something's going wrong. I just know it.
I told you already. We're much better off than they were. They were on a stakeout when it happened. Stakeout wears you down. It numbs you. Then when you...
things sound like a broken record here. More cleaners to the right, in the lobby, behind the door.
Thanks.
Address unknown.
Mona, I found a window cleaner's lift. I'm headed down.
Max?
Yeah.
No, I just wanted to say... Damn it.
Mona? Mona? Mona!
Down there, he's gonna get away! Say hi to the pavement, sucker!
Someone had got to Mona. Someone had got to Mona. Nothing had worked out as planned. I had to find another way down to the lobby.